Considering how unlikely it is that it will happen anytime soon, this may be your sole opportunity to get Shiba Inu tokens at a discount if you are interested in the breed. This video is a must-watch for everyone in possession of SHIB tokens. It will boost the value of your Shiba Inu by addressing your concerns and providing you with all the recently released facts about the breed. In terms of breaking news about new coins, what is the latest Shiba? The worth of Shiba Inu will be affected by all of this in what way? In order to proceed, 1 million Shiba tokens are up for grabs every day on this channel. Just by subscribing, liking, and commenting on this video with the hashtag, you will be entered. Please watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you do not miss any of the information that I have spent a lot of time researching. Dear Shiba, I hope you have a joyful new year. Before we get into our problem, though, let's take a peek at the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on November 29th. Around 827 units are Shiba's news prices today. With $137 million in trades, her price has risen 1.7% in the last day. At its current market valuation of over $4.8 billion, the token ranks as the 21st most valuable cryptocurrency. The video was made at a certain period, therefore prices may have changed since then. Do not consider this material to be financial advice. Our brand new official Telegram channel is also available for your perusal. Click the link in the description to join the free group and find out more about the project. We just dropped a micro market cap gem on it. Now let's jump into the video for today. As long as the volatility remains at 60%, Shiba and I restore optimism to the buying process. Price levels of SHIB will encounter additional resistance at this level. The price chart indicates a strong effort towards recovery, despite the fact that prices started the week with a small fall. As an example, the New Zealand SP 500 has returned to its previous levels of support, but attract investors eager to jump on the bandwagon and drive up the price. Traders are increasingly favoring long positions amidst this price volatility, and a lot of on-chain indicators are currently reflecting a positive sentiment. There is no change to the 60% volatility of SH. The Shibarium network, which is responsible for Shiba and Numa coin, has been making significant strides and has an enormous influence on the SHIB market, even though its price has just dropped. Buyer demand has skyrocketed, and the acquisitions optic has sparked a nasty coin rebound rally. In addition, shibarium has reached a remarkable milestone with its transaction activity, which is a significant improvement. There were 43,6190 more transactions on shibarium on November 23rd. Out of 29,285, it's 190, but now there have been 15,681 fewer transactions than before, according to the block. It appears that trading interest in Shiba was unaffected by the market downturn, since the price of SHIB was stable even after sellers tried to drag it below its 200-day exponential moving average on a 4-hour price chart. Also, buyers should be pleased when the ratio of market value to realized value goes down. The MVRV for Shiba has dropped from 1 to its present level of 0.429. It's safe to assume that holders will keep their assets. A negative MVRV indicates that the asset is undervalued, which could result in losses if all SHIBs were sold at the current price, but a high MVRV ratio indicates that traders typically incline towards selling. While sellers aim to open short positions during market peaks, Shiba and Nu are aiming to boost buyer confidence by surging over the near-fight channels. An increasing sell-off will be indicated by a decline below the rising trend line, so the average coin may reach a bearish consolidation level of about 750 units. There will soon be a moment of truth for the Shiba Inu coin in this important statistic, so stay tuned for the latest changes, and who knows what the future holds for this cryptocurrency. Your continued support in the form of a like would mean the world to us if you're here. Supporting the channel in this way is completely free of charge. According to an earlier report by WTF today, the scalability solution Shiba Inu's Layer 2 based on Ethereum has had a significant decline in its transaction count in the days following its great achievement in this area. Before the uptrend that began on November 19th, shibarium rose to 43,619 on November 24th from 29,285,680. The steep decrease highlights how SHRI is still largely subject to an unforeseen sentimental drive. The weeks preceding the increase on November 19th saw shibarium total transactions remain below the 21,000 mark. Despite the protocol's ups and downs since shibarium's debut in August, Shibarium has finally surpassed the 4 million overall transaction milestone October 31st. The last time this happened was when the number of shibarium transactions jumped past 21,000. Though it pales in comparison to its contemporaries, the protocol's robustness and stability are highlighted by the fact that this metric is now at 4,229,260 as of writing. A total of 1,624 blocks have been created. reaching its goals. Shibarium, even though Shibarium isn't quite up to snuff compared to rivals like Zcash and Trampolian, its existence has brought hope to Shiba Inu and similar projects due to the fact that Shibarium is a protocol that gives the ecosystem its identity as decentralized applications spread across it. Therefore, a thorough investigation into Shibarium's purpose fulfillment is necessary. Stay watch for additional updates on the Shiba Inu coin and its impact on the project's value both now and in the future, as the core development team, led by Shusher Kusuma, promises more innovative ways to enhance the Shiba Inu protocol. New shares of Shiba 5 factors to keep an eye on in the approaching. The latest issue of Shiba Inu Sheep magazine, titled Bull Run, is out now. Among the most talked about topics at the next bull run, the Sheep team has revealed some new details about the ecosystem and trends to keep an eye on in this edition. A lot of banks have already begun tokenizing their real estate and shares, and the group also predicted that social media, DeFi, and crypto solutions will be popular industries for artificial intelligence and Layer 2 scaling, two more trends that will become mainstream. Additionally, the organization announced that a popular decentralized exchange, CoinErge, will be backing them. Platform officials have stated their intention to move all operations to the Shibarium layer on the network. In a recent article, Shiba announced that the 4th edition of She magazine included a new giveaway with 7,000 NFTs. The last round had coined 5,000 NFTs in only 5 hours. The new chief developer of Shiba, Shusher Kusuma, has spoken about the project's goals for complete decentralization and the introduction of democratic government into the Shiba Inu environment. The sheep bone leash and the forthcoming treat are part of this. All token holders will have an equal say in decision-making, according to the report. To maintain openness and eliminate bots, the team will implement protocols like self-sovereign identification. Hama wants community members to participate. Now, let's get to today's video's main topic. There has been a 5.1% correction in the daily chart, and the token's price has fallen since January 1st, 2023. However, investors and fans are still hopeful that the asset will gain momentum in early 2024. Burning tokens reduces a cryptocurrency's total supply, which is why the greater Shiba in the new burn rate excited users, especially the main coins long-term. The $59 trillion prediction for the SHIB market is a result of this. Shiba Inus have up to 500,000 burns. Investors may be interested in the dramatic spike in the Shiba Inu's used destruction rate, which jumped by over 5,000% on November 27th due to the deflationary nature of the breed. Sim mechanics of sheep. Several influencers have taken advantage of the opportunity to promote and gain attention for their posts. Some of these posts have made bold claims about the potential price of SHIB reaching 10 cents in the future. CIO, a crypto analyst, informed his approximately 67,000 followers that he expected a significant rally for SHIB in a post published on November 20th. Investors stood to gain from SHIB's potential climb, according to CIO's study. Gains on top of that, Shiba and the new devs laid out 5 major crypto themes for the next bull run, and the introduction of a spot Bitcoin ETF might be beneficial for boys. The team also mentioned that tokenizing real-world assets will be vital during the next bull market. Tokenization is the process of turning physical assets into digital tokens based on the blockchain. It is the reason why the price of Shiba soared due to the wider cryptocurrency market. Because of their faith in the Shiba developers and the practical benefits, they also placed a premium on crypto integration and social networking. Lots of our members have mentioned that in the next 5 years they won't be selling sheets but will instead own millions of them. Crypto gaming seems to be the next big thing in the crypto business. Check out the video on screen now, trust me, you won't want to miss it. However, Shiba is the only project you should be looking into right now. Do you happen to know the total number of sheep in your possession? If so, please share that information in the space provided. In this video, we applaud the